Good morning. Okay, Dr. Mary Rensel, coming to you from my favorite office. I'm a neuroimmunologist and board in integrative medicine, and if there's one thing I love to do, is be outside and to talk about the brain. I want to tell you about a study that was just published in our neurology journal. So neurology has a lot of different journals, but there's one is the main one called the Green Journal. And in this study, some residents did a study on high school age kids and college young adults and gave them some information about what matters for long-term brain health and development. And they tested to see if they'd rather hear from a celebrity or a doctor. So who thinks one? I would think the doctors would, but it turns out they'd rather hear from a celebrity. So, and they liked videos. So I'm going to keep going with the videos. I just want you to think about your brain, a little brain wonder. Wonder what you can do today. You can be out in nature if you don't have that opportunity. Even just smiling, putting a smile on your face can change some of your actual neurochemicals and feelings and bring about happy feelings, even if you don't really mean it. So if you're not having a great day, you just physically put a smile on your face. Sometimes it can turn on some of our happy hormones, are like, happy neurochemicals. So young adults and high school students, I understand you'd rather hear from celebs. If you know one, send them my way. I'm glad to give you the information to share with you. There's something called ALZU, so ALZU.org, so it's Alzheimer's University. So you can see what really matters for brain health and what may matter. They're not even sure about everything that matters. But there's also some really interesting studies looking at the human connectome in kids and adults, how the brain will connect depending on what environment the brain is in. So if you think of where I am, I'm near trees and grass. It rained recently, so it's very wet. That's the environment. When you think of your brain sitting upstairs in your skull, it relies on you to bring it healthy environment. So that means good amount of water, good amount of healthy nutrition, sleep, and then keep it active. How do you do that? Connect with others, learn something, physically move. So all of those things are important, but if you really want to take the test, go to ALZU, ALZU.org, and you can see what you didn't know. Then you can add it on here. Is there something that surprised you? But I love that there's groups of folks around the world just trying to figure out how to optimize brain function and brain health, even starting with kids and babies, all the way through adulthood. Because now what they're finding with a lot of the brain diseases and disorders, there's so many years that you don't know you have it, but it's going on in the brain. Like Alzheimer's sometimes is 20 years, what they call preclinical, before you knew it was going on. There's what they say pathology, there's something wrong going on in the nerves. And so there's so many amazing researchers looking into that and how to find it early and what to do about it. I recently gave a talk on kind of the continuum of brain health, and I looked up how many studies there were, and there were 382 studies going on just on one part of memory impairment called MCI, so very early memory impairment. So I'm looking at all different kind of things. Does exercise matter? Does diet matter? Does these interventions, medicine, all different ways to try to get the brain working optimally. So, all right, fine. I know you prefer celebrity. I understand, but I know you prefer video. That's what the study suggested. Video's better than written words. So we'll keep chatting. If you want to know more, follow me on YouTube. And if you want to just put something surprising in that you learned or share it with somebody that needs to know that, let me know. I have a business called Brain Fresh, and it supports coaches to learn how to optimize the brain so that they can move their clients forward with, optimizing what we know about brain science, which is a lot. Still a lot to learn. But there's a lot of things we can do to optimize brain function. And we can do it from the very time, even before we meet the clients and when we're working with clients. So just message me. I'm glad to connect and figure this out together, set up a framework for you so that you can enhance your relationship with your clients and their successes. And then, okay, fine. I'll try to find a celeb to make the videos. If you know any, send them my way. Okay, have a great day. Bye.